How to save Canva to PDF. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Canva application and go to the document which or the Canva design you want to download. Open the design, then tap on this share icon from your top right corner. Tap on this three dot and then you'll find an option of download. From save as image, go back and then select save as PDF. And that's how you do it. You will also find other options of downloading. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.